Hello driving intelligence community. Today I want to talk to you about a 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe with a V6 engine. This follower came to me with a problem with their starting system, actually charging system. The vehicle would stall and for no apparent reason, and once I diagnosed that it was the alternator, then I proceeded to assist this person in securing an alternator and doing the replacement. I did a lot of research on the internet to try to figure out the best method for this, because this alternator is located in a difficult location. It's at the base of the engine in the back, near the suspension, which is front wheel drive, and against the firewall. Very tight spaces, very difficult to get to. The material I found on the internet was not extremely helpful, not very good videos, so I decided to make this video because during the course of me replacing this alternator, I did a few extra steps that you should not have to do. So follow along, and of course let me know if you have any comments or other questions on this, and please subscribe. Take a minute to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like, and also hit the bell icon to get notified of new driving intelligence videos. Happy driving.